Today we are going to talk about 5 beauty products that are must have, and of course they are under rupees 500, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. Hi everyone, this is Shoini Chanda. Welcome back to my channel. So we are going to talk about 5 makeup products under rupees 500. Of course these are from Indian brands. I'm super excited for this video. And let's begin with the first product. So I'm going to start with concealers. This is by an Indian brand. It's Cuffs and Lashes. It's called Cover It Up Concealers. I think they have more than 14 shades. They do have orange color corrector, yellow color corrector, contour shades, and definitely white as well. To mix and match and color correct, of course, and cover up your dark circles, pigmentation spots. So these are really worth it. They do come in different shades as I mentioned, and the coverage is just so stunning. The formula is super creamy, very lightweight. Coverage is just amazing. It doesn't settle to fine lines and gives you that really smooth finish. I really like using these. These are definitely worth trying and it's a must have for your vanity. So I'm going to swatch few shades for you guys so that you guys know which one I like to use. Okay, I'm going to start with the white one, of course, to show you the color pigmentation. Here's the white shade and you can mix it up if you have a color, a foundation or maybe a concealer which is a little darker. You can mix white concealer and make it more lighter. Then I'm going to swatch the yellow one. Again, if the foundation is too pale for you, too pink for you, then you can use a little bit of yellow color corrector. The coverage of all the concealers, like all these concealers, are insane. This is number 13, which is orange, and I'm gonna swatch the shade right here. As you can see, it's super pigmented. They do have contour shades as well. Now for my liking, I like to mix two shades, number 4 and number 8. Number 4 is cashew and it just gives a very nice good coverage, which I really like. And I have been using this concealer since many years, and definitely they are worth trying. So this one is like a color correction for me if I'm not using orange color corrector, and this one is like a very highlighting concealer, but I do mix this too sometimes for highlighting as well. So these are the concealers I would highly recommend you guys to try because of the affordable price range and the formula being so nice. Next up is these highlighters. These are from Mars Cosmetics, again an Indian brand. They are coming up with such great products and you have to try and keep them in your vanity because I'm pretty sure you're gonna fall in love with each and every product they are launching. This is the Glowfly liquid highlighter. They have 3 shades. My favorite one is Winged Champagne. I'm gonna swatch all the 3. I've already done this before, but I find people are not talking about it as much as they should. So that's why I'm talking about it non-stop, because I want you guys to try. So this one is a Winged Rose. It's a rose gold shade, which is absolutely stunning. Now you can use this highlighter as it is, like आप इसको highlighter की तरह definitely use कर सकते हो. This is Winged Champagne. Look at that shade. So you can use this highlighter like an highlighter. You can mix it with your foundation or your moisturizer or your skin tint, whatever you like. You can use them in so many different ways. And this one is Winged Gold, which is a very nice, very stunning gold shade. Look at that. Very stunning. These are so soft and easy to blend. Even you can apply them and blend it over powder. It works so nicely. So you have to try these. Moving on, these are my holy grail powders right now. This is by the brand Recode. I mean, they do have so many underrated, amazing products, and I do feel like Recode is an underrated brand. And the products are amazing. Like their eyeliners are so pigmented. They have blusher palettes, highlighter palettes. Their liquid lipsticks are so amazing. I'm glad that I'm working with them, and I'm really happy that I get to try so many new products. And these are one of the best products from Recode, I would say. These are their loose powder, Ace of Base loose powder. Now my favorite has to be the banana one, but they do have translucent one and the pink powder. So banana one, if you're in my skin tone, even I'm actually wearing it today, my base looks so smooth and flawless, and it's because of this. The powder just is very mild and it just sets your under eye, sets your full makeup. And you can use the translucent powder or the pink powder if you want that pinkish brightening effect under your eyes, on your face. You can use the pink powder as well, but this retails a little above 500, but you can always get offers on Amazon, so do check it out. Moving on, I am so happy that I got to try this again by working with this brand. This is by Insight Cosmetics, and they do have brow tattoo, I mean brow mascaras. These are like a dupe of the Benefit brow tattoo, and I haven't tried Benefit one, to be honest, but I have tried these. Each of the shades I've tried, they have 3 shades: black, brown and gray. I've tried all of them, and to be honest, they are really nice. They are smudge proof, waterproof, and they just gives your brows that fuller looking effect. Look at the size. I mean, it's so small and perfect for your brows, and it just stays throughout the day. Lastly, these Parul Garg kajals or eyeliners are definitely worth trying. I think I've talked about this in my previous video. I've shared my 2 favorite shades from this range, but each and every shade is so unique and so beautifully pigmented. Even I tried this green shade recently during Durga Puja. If you have seen my Ashtami Get Ready With Me, this is the liner I was wearing. I will swatch it again because the brown is a must have. Look at that brown. It's gorgeous. These are very creamy and very pigmented. I'm gonna swatch the black right here. And just by a little touch, the pigmentation comes, which is great. It's a gorgeous shade. And here you go. Look at that green. Ah, so stunning and so good. So those were the products I really want you guys to try this time, and I'm going to leave all the links down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. And if you guys like my videos, do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and do share this video with your friends and family. I will see you guys again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.